Okay, lads, I'll show Tommy Jenov on litter I fada, right? So I fada. So tashi on Gaeilge, den she on e. Okay, so it makes the sound e. So on show it's b, bigi, v. So when there's a bh, it's a v sound. So v, v. Kiste, briste, we've letish, ainin. Now this is a special one because ain, this word here, that means bird. Okay, so ain means bird, but ainin means a small bird. Okay, so if you have our word and put an I for the N at the end of it, that means a small something. Okay, but for example here, quinine. Quinine is a rabbit, but it doesn't mean small rabbit because quin is not a word on its own. So ain is a word. We can have the word ain. Okay, so if we add on an I for the N, that means it's a small bird. Okay, but this is just the word itself, quinine. Alright, so it's quinine, gardine, Lena, Colleen, Cappine. Okay, so Colleen, col isn't a word on its own. So Colleen is a full word. So it doesn't mean small girl, it means just girl. Alright? Okay, and then on show. Okay, so queer on fucking carts nobert. Right? So V, what's that? It's a guardian, isn't it? All in a gleam agus Laura. Okay, so I want you to write this into your copy. So V, guardian, all in a gleam agus Laura. Okay, so G, A, I, or D, I for the N. Guardian. Okay, V, ag fos the garden. So there was something growing in the garden. Kula Laura, ag canas the garden. So Laura heard something singing in the garden. Okay, so Deach Liam amach. Liam looked out. Okay, Connick Shay, so he saw something sa garden in the garden. Right? Queer Laura he. So Laura put her something on. Okay? So she put her something on. Queer she a count agus cuig she amach. So queer she, so she put her on her head and she went out. Okay, so we're noticing a pattern here. It's always so for example, she put. So it's not put she, it's she put, right? So it's different in Irish. The person comes after the verb. So in English, it'd be Laura put. Okay, so in English, it's Laura put, but we have to swap it in Irish, okay? So our verb comes first and our person is next, right? So we'll be doing more of that later on, okay? And then on rev agus v no ni rev. So this person here asks, on rev shiv ag shopadort. So he's asking on rev shiv ag shopadort. So ag shopadort, were ye shopping? Okay? So were ye shopping? So were. And then this person says, V may ag shopadort. So V is I was. So V is I was. And then ni rev is I wasn't. Okay, so I was, I wasn't. Okay, ni rev may ag shopadort. So was he shopping? No, he wasn't. So on rev she ag. So on rev she ag shopadort, ni rev she ag shopadort. Okay? So on sho, what's this person gonna ask? So on rev. So on rev argid ag de refer. So does your sister have money? Okay? So you're either agreeing or you're not agreeing. So does his sister have money? So yes. So what is that again? We'll go back. So V, okay? V. So V agad a key, alright? On rev ein shoppa dunta, okay? So were any shops closed? So were any shops closed? So V no ni rev. What's our answer? So there were no shops closed. So the shops weren't closed. So it's ni rev. Okay? Ni rev. So